we're gonna do a duet of Payphone. We've spent like probably like a couple hours practicing this, and we're trying our best to do our best. So, it would mean a lot if you guys don't like dislike this, because we know we're not the greatest singers, but we've tried and tried and tried for hours, and we're really proud of this. So, okay, here we go. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All my change I spent on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where the plans we made for two.
Yeah! I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. Even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And that time you wasted, all of our bridges burned down.
I've wasted my nights. You turned out the light. Now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of the change I spent on you. Where has the time gone? Maybe it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
If happy ever after did exist, I'll still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. On my fucking love song, I'll be sick.
You turned your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned down.
I've wasted my night. You turned out the light. Now I'm paralyzed. You still stuck in my time when we called it love. Even the sun is in paradise.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you.
Where the time's gone, maybe it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song.
I'll be.
I'm at a payphone.
Man, fuck